Still struggling with messy devices for live streaming? Introducing the OBSBOT Tail Air. Portable and can be placed at any place you want. Capture every moment up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Use gesture control to activate AI auto tracking feature. With the activated AI tracking feature, the camera would keep following you, your cute pet, and even an object. Now, let's go beyond and see more amazing features. Wirelessly control, monitor, and stream your live shows. Enter the amazing AI Director grids, constituted by several visible grids, so you can see the different views of your live scene. Click the grid you need to put it on air accordingly. Let's dive into the deeper usage of OBSBOT Tail Air. Multi-set up your tail air at different angles. Then you can activate the dazzling and efficient NDI connection. You'll be able to have an incredible live stream experience even at long distance. Supervise the video image in real time, in low latency. You won't miss any dazzling movements with Tail Air's multicam solution. Activate AI auto tracking feature to take a closer look and keep following the target. With a specially designed smart remote, you can wirelessly control and switch the PTZ and switch among Tail Air. The low-light shooting of Tail Air stepped into next level by the enlarged pixel size, and the image could be clearer and less noise. OBSBOT Tail Air support various connection, which makes it a powerful device to join your live stream workflow seamlessly. Get yourself ready with OBSBOT Tail Air and mastermind your every moment right on air.
Created by OBSBOT.